Hi, this is Anup. In this video, we are going to see new payment gateway for your e-commerce website. Suppose if your website is running on WordPress platform and you are using WooCommerce. So now here is the option for new payment gateway, that is UPI ID. So in this payment gateway, what we are going to see, we'll use our UPI ID in setting, and then we are going to receive payment from the customer directly to our UPI ID. In this payment gateway, what is the advantage? The benefit is you no need to pay any service charge or transaction charge. Okay, so we'll see how to install the plugin. There is one plugin called UPI ID. Okay, so that plugin will search on the WordPress repository, and then we'll install your website, our website, and we'll do the setting, and finally we'll test it live. So let's start. Without wasting time, we'll start the process. Okay, so first of all, we have to go to the dashboard. As we install normal plugins, the same process will follow. So we'll come to the plugin and then we'll add new. Okay, so here what we will do, we'll search for the UPI ID. Just search UPI payment. Okay, UPI payment, and this will just appear. You can see, and the first payment gateway plugin is coming, which is UPI QR code payment for WooCommerce, and the plugin name, the author name is Sayan Datta. Even you can see the rating. The rating is 5-star. Okay, and 3000 plus activation, as it is installed in the website. And this is the latest update. They have updated recently, before 3 weeks. And what is the date today? Today is the 19 July of 2020. Okay, so we are going to use this plugin and we'll do the task. So first of all, we'll install it. Okay, will take little time. So plugin is installed. I will activate it. Okay, so once the activation is done, we'll go to the WooCommerce setting as we do for the other payment gateway. Okay, so we'll go to the setting, and then we'll go to the payment. For one thing I will tell you, make sure your WordPress is updated version, not completely updated, but it should be little bit updated. Okay, so what we will do, we will now we'll go to the UPI QR code. Here is the option, manage. Okay, and now here we can find option. So title, whatever title you want to keep for the payment gateway. So customer will come to the website, they will see this title. Okay, using method. Okay, payment method. Description you can keep, and then QR code. This is by default plugin author has given. You can keep your own. Okay, you can change it later also. What is the thing you have to take care about? This is the payment status. Okay, success status. So if you are receiving order, means our customer is paying using this method, payment gateway method. So there is just some status of order. So suppose if somebody is paying, so it should be in processing or on hold. You have to check it. Okay, so I will keep it on hold only, because I will verify manually whether the customer has paid amount or not, and then I will come and I will manage the order. That is process. Here you can keep the website name, and then you have to keep the UPI ID. I have already kept here. Earlier I tried to install and I was testing, so I kept. So what you have to do, you have to enter your UPI ID on which you want to receive the payment gateway payment. So make sure you have entered the correct UPI ID. Okay, because this is a very important. If you will enter the wrong UPI ID, either it will pop up the error, or if it is some other UPI ID, some other person UPI ID, it is going to amount in his account. Okay, so please be sure it is your UPI ID. Okay, and then this is a normal, you can read here what is what. Okay, and then some basic features is there, and then finally I will save it. Okay, without wasting the time. You can see this option. This is not that much major option. So major is you have to enter the proper UPI ID, and this the status of order. Okay, so this two setting has been done. Now we'll do what I will do. I will try to place a live order, and let's see how the things is going to be work. So I will go to the website. I will select any product. Suppose this is a product of 50 rupees. Okay, I'm not going to put any big amount. I will try with the 50 rupees. Okay, So this is a one product. Okay, so first of all, I will click on the buy now or add to cart, any option we can. This website is having both buy now button. Okay, so finally we'll do the checkout. Okay, this is the cart is added into cart, and now proceed to checkout. Right. Okay, so here I will keep all the basic details. Okay, fine, the basic details I have already filled. You have to fill the basic detail, and then you have to keep the UPI ID for reference. What, as a customer I am going to pay. Okay, so I will keep the UPI, another UPI ID what I am going to use to pay. Okay, so I will keep my PhonePe UPI ID for reference. What is going to happen, it will display this UPI ID will show in order details. Whenever website owner is checking for the order payment for verification purpose, he can check your UPI ID in the dashboard. So for that purpose you have to enter your UPI ID. So here UPI ID address you have to keep, and then who is the handling. So there you can see, if you have been seen, you know, lot of UPI ID like @ICICI or SBI or something. So like that you have to select which one you are, you know, your UPI handler. And then finally I will accept the terms and condition, and then I will proceed to order. Okay, proceed to payment. Now it will pop up the QR code. Okay, and that QR code you have to scan with your PhonePe or whatever you know payment gateway is there. You have to just scan it. So I am trying to scan with my PhonePe, and now what I have to do, I have to, you know, scan. This is telling that you have made the UPI ID, whatever notification is there, proceed to next. Okay, and now you have to do the confirmation. Yeah, you have done the payment. Payment. Otherwise, what will happen? If you click on the go back, the order will be not placed. Okay, and if you click on the confirm, the order will be placed. So okay, I have paid, so I will click on confirm, and then this order will be placed, and by the admin side, admin is going to verify whether he is received amount or not, and then he is going to deliver the order. Okay, so this is the complete process how this plugin is going to be work. Okay, you can see that video I have also added, that mobile video. Okay, so how I made the payment and how the UPI ID was going to display. Okay, so here the thank you for your order. So this order has successfully placed. Okay, now let's see in the admin dashboard how the things is going to be looked at. Okay, fine. So I'll go to the WooCommerce. Okay, and his order. Fine. So here is the one order. Just 2 minutes ago we have received one order with this name Anup Kumar, and if I will open this, so here we can see here the UPI ID. What UPI ID I told? This is here. Okay, so the UPI ID I used to pay amount, it is here, and the product details, everything is there, and status is on hold. So you can come in the dashboard, you can keep on the processing, and you can update it. Okay, so your customer will also get notification your order is now in processing. So this is how the plugin is going to be work. So the main benefit of this plugin is you are giving an option for your customer to, you know, pay amount using their QR code. And one more important thing, here there is no third party. Means you are not going to pay any extra amount, any service charge to anyone. Okay, you are just whatever amount is paying. Suppose this is the 50 rupees product, so 50 rupees completely going to come in your account, or else there is no there is no extra amount charged to your customer for the payment. Like if you use some InstaMojo or some other payment gateway, they are charging some 2%, 3% per transaction. So here you can save the money. So thanks guys, this was the video about, and I hope you liked the video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe my channel for the new update, for new video, because whenever I get something new, I record it and I place on the YouTube, so that people like you can watch the video and can use that techniques in their website to make a what we call most beautiful things and most effective. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can directly contact me by using my WhatsApp number, or you can use my WhatsApp number will be in the description, as well as all the things that UPI ID, payment gateway plugin link I will also keep in the description. And you can write me a mail if you have any query, any question, or any problem. You can write me. If you are looking for any support, I support for the customer free basis. as per their requirement. If there is a small box, if a small error is getting in the website, I support for the free. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.